Welcome to the channel everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create sticky headers in your app. In the previous video, we talked about scroll view, lazy V stack and other stacks provided by SwiftUI. Section header is one of the things which you can use in SwiftUI, and you can actually make them sticky so that when you are scrolling and then if your content in that section is pretty long, so that you know like in which section you are in currently while you are reading about it. So we can create section, and then in the section we can create a header. So the header can be anything, so from a text, so we say like section, we can say row and then index. Let remove that. Let's run it. So this is our section at the top now. Let's try and give it a little bit more, try to make it a bit more prominent. What I'm going to do with the section header is going to use a rounded rectangle with the 6 corner radius, fill it with the gray with the frame height, and I'm going to overlay my text on top of it. So now I can see different sections. Maybe let's add some padding here so that it looks a bit nicer. So okay, so now I have my section headers. What I want to do is when I am scrolling, I want to see which section I am currently at. So why do I need that? Let's say you currently I don't have much content in each section, but let's say you have V stack. Let's add some spacing here and then maybe repeat these so we have more content. Don't worry about what we are writing in the content. We want to understand the concept first. So as you can see now I have a bit more content. Let's add these again. Now I have sections where my content is longer, and now if I am here I don't know which section I am looking at. So what I want to do is I want to make this section sticky while I am scrolling. So how can I do that? So what we can do is in our lazy V stack, we can say pinned views, and then we can pass an array and we can say section headers and section footers. I'm going to make the section header sticky for now. Let's run it again. And now just check if while I'm scrolling, my header stays there. And as I'm going to the next one, the next header is going to stay there. So this is how you can create sticky headers. I would encourage you to try add the header and footer, and then try and play with both the option of pinning your section header and your section footer, and then just pinning your section footer and see how your list when you scroll behaves. Thanks for watching, and keep coding, and I'll see you next time.